What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TyrellTv, and I had just got a new headset, the insane headset. So I'm done using this little piece of crap. This piece of crap, the standard headset, all broke up. Now let's unbox stuff real. Oh, okay. Gotta wipe out. I don't know, should I? Oh snap. Oh snap. Finna be jamming all night. Oh my god. Y'all ready? No, I don't think y'all ready, YouTube. Y'all ready? There you go. This is the insane headset. Two, cause I can't be hearing with this. I need two of them. Can't be hearing. You got two. You got a good mic. And then it's supposed to glow up too when I plug it up. So I don't know yet. I'm gonna see do it glow up too. Yeah, but other than that, it's hard. For more unboxing videos, make sure y'all smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Let's try to get more than 10 likes.